Hi everyone, welcome to Get Rebel Life TV. This is where we talk about African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for your support on this page, both in cash and in kind. Please, this video is for those who want to consult Ifa through any of my invited Babalawos or other Olorishas on this platform. I have said it several times that we do not share contact on this platform because our primary objective of what we do on this channel is to promote our heritage as Africans. We have interviewed a lot of Babalawos and other Olorishas on this platform. At the same time, we still want to help you to reach out to them. If you need any help, you have to send a WhatsApp message to the phone number that is displayed on the screen. When you send your message, then we are going to send you the terms and conditions. One of the reasons why we do not share contact on this platform is because we do not want this channel to be messed up, because at the beginning, we had a lot of complaints from our viewers, and we don't want this to continue. Get a Better Life TV is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. At the same time, we want to attend to your spiritual needs. So as much as we are attending to your spiritual needs, we still have to play safe to make this channel a safe place for you guys to learn about Ifa spirituality, Orisha, and other African belief system. The kinds of spiritual assistance that you can get through this channel are Ifa consultation, which is also known as Ifa reading, appeasement, that is offering of sacrifice to any of our Orishas, spiritual cleansing, Ifa and other Orisha initiation. Please, we do not honor illegal spiritual assistance through this platform, such as money rituals and any other illegal spiritual assistance. Kindly subscribe to Get Rebel Life TV if you want to know more about African spirituality, most especially Ifa spirituality, and if you want to be familiar with our Orishas in Yoruba land. Click on the subscribe button down below this video and do not forget to turn on your notification so that you don't miss anything whenever we upload new videos on this channel. Likewise, if you want to support us, kindly make use of the join button down below to choose any categories of your choice in order to become part of our members on this channel. As well, you can make use of the super thanks to show your support to us, and you can message us to discuss other ways at which we want to support us. Thank you and get a better life.